Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making this creamy shrimp Alfredo pasta. This is a family favorite. Everyone loved it. It was super easy to make. It took me only about 30 minutes to make this. Everyone loves a quick recipe. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding.
Thank you to TEMU for sponsoring this video. TEMU is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products, whether it's auto, baby, household, of course kitchen, my favorite of all. TEMU offers free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. Yes, 90 days. Also, if you were to order something from TEMU and the price drops within 30 days, you are able to request a partial refund. Download the TEMU app and get a $100 coupon bundle, or go into the app and type in my code DNU8389 into the search bar, and you'll be able to claim the $100 coupon bundle. I will leave a link down below for every single item I use in this video. It'll be in the description box. The salt and pepper grinders are one of my favorite. It lights up when it comes out. It's honestly amazing. I love it. Also, this lemon squeezer, it catches the seeds and the pulps, and honestly it squeezes out every single juice. Look how clean it makes it. There's no juice left behind. I use this to pour into my mango salsa. And then next I also have this meat tenderizer. Now I love making chicken, but chicken breast can be a bit tough, so this will definitely help it get a bit tender. I also have these 3 bowl sets that I'm actually obsessed with. I use for everything now. I also got these gloves because when I do make, say you deal with raw chicken, you don't want to touch it with your hands, so the gloves really do help out. And now my favorite of everything that I've got from TEMU has to be this stainless steel chef pan. I'm obsessed. You can use this for anything, especially if you have a big family. It definitely helps out. Now I also got this taco holder. I've seen these all over TEMU. I'm glad I finally got my hands on it. This really does help if you have a family gathering or just friends coming over and you want to make tacos. It keeps it standing up, and it was just amazing. I really do love it. I made some mango sauce to go with my jerk chicken tacos. I also got these glass condiment sets. It comes with 10 for $10. That's a steal for me. And then I also got these 7-piece utensil sets. These are everyday use, so they come in super handy. Instead of buying them separately, you get a whole 7-piece set. It's awesome. I use them every day since I've got them, and I love them. Again, if you're interested in anything I'm using in the video, I will leave a link down below in the description box. If you use my code, you'll be able to get a $100 coupon bundle. It's honestly amazing. I would highly suggest checking these out. I love everything I've gotten from TEMU. Another thing I got from TEMU was this glass jar. Honestly, you can use this for anything, for yogurt, parfaits, or you can use it as a storage thing and like keep your fruits or cereal or anything in it. It comes with a wooden spoon. I use mine for yogurt or breakfast oatmeal type, and I just take it to work with me, and honestly it's amazing. I really do love it. It's very convenient. last thing I got was this kitchen apron that I use every day. It's so cute. I love it. Thank you, TEMU, for sponsoring this video. To start off the Alfredo, I seasoned my shrimp first. I used seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. I did not over season my shrimp for a reason because shrimp does get salty really fast, and I still do have to make my Alfredo sauce. So I just start off with a little bit of seasoning. I'm giving this a really good mix. Now you don't have to use shrimp if you don't like shrimp. You can use any type of protein you like. It's all up to your preference, or you don't even have to add any meat at all. You can just make this Alfredo pasta with no meat. It's all about your preference. That's what cooking is all about. It's what you like. So I didn't feel like the shrimp was enough for my family, so I added in the rest. This is 2 pounds of shrimp all together. Once I did that, I got my wok or pan and I added in a little bit of oil. Now to cook my shrimp, I just put it in and I left it alone for a good minute or two because I did want a good sear on it. So I did not mix it right away. After a minute or two, that's when I gave it a really good mix, and then I left it alone again because I want a good sear. But as you can see, mine does have a lot of juice. You don't want to overcook your shrimp because shrimp does cook fast, but I cooked mine a little longer than normal because I did have a lot of water, a lot of juice in it, and I wanted all that to evaporate and get a really nice color and sear on my shrimp. But once that cooks, I took it off in the same pan. I added a couple of tablespoons of butter and some minced garlic and give that a little quick mix. I will leave the full recipe down below in the description box. Don't worry, you guys, I always got your back. Now I'm adding in my heavy cream. This is about 6 cups of heavy cream. I know it looks a lot, but I'm also making 2 pounds of pasta. I like my Alfredo saucy, creamy, cheesy. Dry Alfredo is not where it's at. I don't like it. Now I'm adding in my seasonings. This is the same seasonings I used to season the shrimp. So I added in half of it for now, and I'm gonna save the other half for later once I give it a taste. Give this a really good mix. Now I'm grating in some fresh Parmesan. You can use the already grated ones, but it's all up to your preference. I'm just using the fresh ones. This is actually my first time using fresh Parmesan, and I would suggest using fresh. It really is good. Then I added in the rest of my seasonings, gave it a good mix, added in some more cheese. This is Mexican style cheese. Mixed it, taste it, and then see if you need anything. I didn't need any more seasonings. It tasted really good. Now I'm adding in my pasta. I'm using rigatoni. Yeah, this is my first time using rigatoni, and I highly suggest it. Tasted so good. All the sauce gets in between the pasta, and it was really delicious, and I really did love it. Now I'm giving this a really good mix. I know it does look watery right now. Leave your heat on medium-low heat to help it thicken up a little bit, but we're still not done because we are adding in a little more stuff. But once you give it a really good mix, this part is optional. I added in some spinach. I had some in the fridge that was planning on going bad soon, so I just added in, and it honestly made it taste even better. But this is optional. You do not have to add this. I know spinach isn't a normal thing but usually add into Alfredo, but it honestly gave it a pop of color and made it look even better. So, but yeah, it's if you want to add it in. If you guys have enjoyed this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. If you made it this far into the video, please give me a red heart in the comments. I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos. But once you give this a good mix, you'll add in your cheese. I'm using the Mexican style cheese again. You can use mozzarella. Again, it's your preference. I always tell you guys, cooking is all about your preference. It's what you like. But now I'm just giving it a really good mix. As you can see, it's getting really cheesy and the sauce is getting thicker. Just give us a really, really good mix. You can honestly never go wrong with Alfredo. This is the easiest pasta recipe or pasta kind to make. If I don't ever know what to make, this will be my #1 option. And I hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy it. It's a family favorite. Even kids really love this recipe. You just switch out the shrimp for any other type of protein you like. But this is one of my favorite go-to meals if I don't know what to make. Once your sauce has thickened up to your liking, we're adding our shrimp back in with the juices. Do not drain the juices out. You want all that flavor from the shrimp juice. I know that sounds nasty, but it honestly tastes so good with the juice. Now you're gonna mix all this up again. I did leave some shrimp out and then I added in. That's just to garnish it. but that's just for the sake of the video. But if you guys, you can add all of it to it. But yeah, this is honestly it, and you're really done making the Alfredo. If you want your sauce to be a bit thicker, put your heat on like low and cover it and let it sit for like 2 minutes and it'll be super thick. But if you like your sauce like this, then you are done. Garnish it with some more of the Parmesan on top, and look at that. That looks amazing. This was actually what my siblings ate for after school and they loved it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.